Any enterprise, organization, or a small company can increase its productivity only when all its employees work during the scheduled hours. In such a situation, it is very important that the entire workforce reach the workplace during a specified time window. Any delay, even by a single person, can cause chaos and inefficiency. Now, even within the organizations, there could be some areas where important data or valuables are stored. Access to such places has to be restricted. So who keeps record of the attendance? Who is allowed to enter a restricted zone? Human inputs can be faulty, either deliberately or innocently, and it is time-consuming, requiring a permanent staff to monitor these conditions. What you need is a secure, fault-free system capable of maintaining time attendance of employees and controlling access to restricted areas, a system free from human error and providing real-time data and reports. Welcome to Matrix COSEC Time Attendance and Access Control Solution, a single system that takes care of not only time attendance and access control, but several other important tasks which shall be of benefit to your organization. This solution is very useful across corporate houses, industries, government organizations, hotels, healthcare and educational institutes, and retail establishments. The COSEC solution includes door controllers, exit readers, RF card reader modules, panel, enrollment stations, application software and additional software modules like time attendance, access control, visitor management, employee self-service, roster management, etc. Let's see what each unit does and how it helps your enterprise. COSEC door controllers and exit readers are front-end terminals, usually installed near the entry and exit point. They record and store all the entry and exit events in real time. When a door controller is connected with a door lock, it controls the access and allows entry only to an authorized person who proves his identity. Now, how will the system identify a person? There are two ways to verify the identity of a person. The first one is by reading the data on a radio frequency identity card, popularly known as RFID card. There are two major card types: proximity cards like EMPROX and HID-PROX, and smart cards like MyFare and HID iClass. COSEC supports all these widely accepted card types. The card reader module, also known as Card Personality Module or CPM, inserted at the rear end of the door controller, reads the data on the card. Order for a CPM which reads the RF card your organization will be using. The second way to verify a person's identity is by the fingerprint. Matrix door controllers offer both optical and capacitive fingerprint reader. Our award-winning COSEC premium door controllers have dust-proof touch sense keypad for aesthetic appearance and long life. They also have an LCD display. Using the keypad and LCD, you can perform functions like time attendance, user registration, feature enabling or disabling, door programming, etc. We now come to the COSEC panel. The panel is a site controller for integrating multiple door controllers installed at various locations, and it acts as a bridge between the door controllers and the application software. It provides many useful and unique features like two-person rule, first-in user, occupancy control, man trap, anti-passback, dead man zone, tamper detection, guard tour, etc. Let's see the enrollment station now. The COSEC enrollment station registers the user's identity. They are available for enrolling RF cards and fingerprints. The enrollment station is connected to the PC where the COSEC application software is installed. The user will hold his RFID card close to the card sensing area. The application software will register the identity of the user while the system administrator enters the username and other important data. If it's a fingerprint sensing enrollment station, the user places his finger on the fingerprint sensing area. The process of enrolling fingerprints and RFID cards can also be done using door controllers. We now come to the backbone of the system, the COSEC application software. The software defines and executes time attendance and access control rules, and during the process stores time attendance data. The HR department uses this data for payroll processing. Several other useful records are also stored in the database, like users' basic details, leave balance, etc. The COSEC application software offers centralized monitoring and control of all locations from a single point. It distributes users' fingerprint data across all locations automatically. Once a fingerprint is registered, the user can make an entry from any door controller, provided he has been allowed access. COSEC products work on a web-based application software platform, so you can use the system from anywhere in the world. COSEC offers freedom to attach itself with DVRs, card readers, smoke detectors, fire alarms, etc. It can be integrated with other softwares like payroll, accounting, HRM, and so on.